Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with University of Abuja Physics post-UTME pass question 42. A negatively charged rod is brought near the cap of an electroscope. The cap is earthed momentarily while the charge is near to it. The rod is then removed. Which statement is correct? A. The cap will be positively charged and the leaf will be negatively charged. B. The cap will be negatively charged and the leaf will be positively charged. C. The cap and the leaf will be positively charged. D. The cap and the leaf will be negatively charged. And E. The cap and the leaf will become not charged. Now, it says an electroscope. Now, an electroscope is actually a device that is used to measure static electricity. Now that is the function of this device. Now we have two methods of conduction of electricity. We have by contact and then we have the one by induction. Now in this case they say the negatively charged rod is brought near. Now since it's not in contact, it is definitely by induction. So this is what we'll consider. Now by induction in a gold leaf electroscope. Now let's say this is the electroscope and then this is the gold leaf. Now when a charge is brought near an electroscope, the cap of an electroscope, this is the cap. When a substance is brought, a charged substance or a charged device brought near the substance, the gold leaf electroscope, what happens? You notice that the cap and the leaf possess an opposite charge. So if it is a positive charge, by induction you get what? A negative charge. Now in this case it says a negatively charged rod. So now this is a rod, it is negatively charged. Minus. It's negatively charged. Now if it's brought near the cap of this electroscope, the charges that will be transferred here will be positive charges because it is by induction. Now if it were by contact, the charges transferred will actually be different. The charges transferred will actually be different. Now you notice that what? The cap will be positively charged and the leaf will be positively charged, causing a deflection. So the leaf will be deflected from the cap or from the plate. Now you notice a wide deflection. So now by induction I want you to take note that what? A negatively charged rod will charge the electroscope positively. So A says the cap will be positively charged and the leaf will be negatively charged. No, that's wrong. The cap and the leaf will have the same charge. B says the cap will be negatively charged and the leaf will be positively charged. Also wrong. C says the cap and the leaf will be positively charged, and this is actually correct because it is a negatively charged rod and we are charging by what? By induction, because it is brought near. Like I said, you need to take note of the keywords. So C is correct. D says the cap and the leaf will be negatively charged. That is wrong due to the fact that it is a negatively charged rod, so it must have a different or an opposite charge. If it was by contact, it will be negatively charged because by contact the charge is transferred. The charge transferred is the same thing as the charge that was given. Now E, the cap and the leaf will become not charged. That is also wrong. So the correct answer to this question is option C. The cap and the leaf will be positively charged. Option C is the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you hit up the subscription button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.